Good morning, everyone. I'm Uma Maheshwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. In this video lecture series, I have been explaining about the various applications of communications. In the last video, I have explained about Bluetooth. In this particular video, I'm going to explain about IEEE. So we'll be having various standards in IEEE. 802.11a, B, E, N, like that. There will be various standards. Now, in this particular slide, we'll going to see about the IEEE 802.11. So it specifies the most famous family of wireless LANs, that is wireless local area networks, in which many products are available. The primary goal of the standard was the specification of a simple and robust WLAN which offers time-bounded and asynchronous services. The MAC layer should be able to operate with multiple physical layers, each of which exhibits a different medium sense and a transmission characteristics. The main features of this IEEE 802.11 are the support of power management to save battery power, the handling of hidden nodes, and the ability to operate it worldwide. So the ISM band, it has this 2.4 GHz, which is available in most countries around the world, was chosen for the original standard. So the data rates investigated for this standard were 1 mbits per mandatory and 2 bits per optional. So this is the system architecture of IEEE 802.11. So we'll be having access point AP. From the portal, first we'll be having a distribution system. From that we'll be having an access point and a portal. So from the access point it is being connected to the BSS, that is basic service set, and we'll be having a ESS. Two services are available in this IEEE 802.1. That is, one is BSS, another one is ESS, that is extended service set. So from the access point, it is being connected to the various LANs, that is 802.11 and 802.11 local area networks. So from that we'll be getting the data and it is being given to the destination of the particular architecture. So the most famous family of this wireless LAN, which has two services, has said one is a basic service set, another one is extended service set. So the stations and access points which are within the same radio coverage forms a basic service set. Extended service set is nothing but the distribution system connects several bases via the access point to form a single network. So and thereby it extends the wireless coverage area. So then we'll be having a portal. So that acts as a bridge gap between the various LANs. Distribution system, where it connects several basic services with the access point from the single network, that is called a distribution system. This is the architecture of IEEE 802.11 ad hoc wireless LANs. So the various nodes are connected with the access point as shown in this architecture. So it allows the building of ad hoc networks between stations, thus forming one or more independent basic service set. In this case, and this IBBSS comprises a group of stations using the same radio frequency. So the stations 1, 2 and 3 are in the basic service set 1. So the stations 4 and 5 will be there in the basic service set 2. This means, for example, that station 3 can communicate directly with station 2 but not with station 5. Station 1, 2 and 3 can communicate directly because it is there in a single base, it is there in the first basic service set. So the station 5 and 4 can communicate it in the communicate directly because it is there in the same service set 2. But the station 1, 2, 3 cannot communicate directly with the 4 and 5. So the main advantages of this IEEE 802.1 is fault tolerance, flexible architecture, and a prolonged battery life. So where the it minimizes the bottlenecks and introduces the resilience in the WLAN environment, that is equipment. It supports both temporary smaller networks and larger networks more than the permanent ones. So efficient power saving protocols extend mobile device battery life without compromising network connections. The main disadvantages is it has a noisy channels, it has greater bandwidth and complexity, and the speed is also it is slow. The main applications of this IEEE is home networking, Wi-Fi hotspots, and the connectivity in the various campuses. So the assessment, the IEEE specifies the most famous family of Wi-Fi. So what type of connection WP security used is Wi-Fi. Thank you.